Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on your Mitsubishi Lancer. First, ensure you have your new wiper blades, a soft towel, and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Begin by gently lifting each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. Crucially, place a thick towel on your windshield directly beneath the wiper arm. This simple step prevents potential damage if the arm accidentally snaps back down. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the wiper blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release tab or clip. Press this tab firmly with your thumb or a flathead screwdriver. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade downwards, away from the arm's hook. Once it's free, carefully take the old blade off, always keeping a hand on the wiper arm to prevent it from springing back and hitting the glass. With the old blades removed, it's time to install your new ones. Take a new blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the hook. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Remember, for many Lancer models, the driver's side blade is typically 26 inches and the passenger side is 18 inches. Finally, gently lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Before driving, activate your wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. Check for any streaks or missed spots. For best performance and longevity, regularly clean your windshield and the rubber edges of your new wiper blades. This simple maintenance helps maintain clear visibility and extends their lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.